In this video, we're going to discuss how a company can use ZaneHRA to provide health benefits to its employees. Here's how it works. First, the company chooses a monthly HRA allowance for each employee. Similar to a business expense account, the money stays with the company until a medical expense is incurred. Then, the employees select their own personal health policies with the help of their insurance agent. Employees can choose policies that best fit their needs, and they typically cost less than half the price of a traditional group insurance policy. Finally, the company reimburses employees tax-free for the cost of their medical expenses. Let's go over each of these steps in more detail. First, we'll talk about how the employer chooses allowances for the employees. Setting up a ZaneHRA is very simple and only takes about 30 minutes online. During the setup process, employers decide how much HRA money they want to offer each employee per month. Employers can vary the HRA allowances for different classes of employees. For example, employees may receive different allowances based on full-time versus part-time status, job description, date of hire, or geographic location. Here's an example of how a plan might be set up. This company, called American Value Outlets, has set up their ZaneHRA to give managers, retail clerks, and sales representatives different HRA allowances. As you can see, managers receive $300 per month, while retail clerks receive $250 per month, and sales reps receive $200 per month. Employers have unlimited control and flexibility when designing their HRA classes and allowances. Once an employer chooses the monthly allowances, employees will automatically be sent employee welcome kits explaining their new ZaneHRA plan. Their insurance agent will help each employee individually decide what network, deductible, and coverage fits their specific needs. Not only will the employees receive individually customized plans, but they stay covered regardless of their employment status because they are purchasing the insurance themselves directly from the carrier. This entire process is handled by the ZaneHRA account management team and the company's insurance agent. No work is needed on the part of the employer to ensure that all employees find coverage. After the employees have selected their personal insurance policy, the employer can manage their health benefits plan with as little as 10 minutes per month. Here's how the plan works once it's set up. First, the employee pays their insurance policy premium directly to the carrier. Then, the employee logs into their employee account at ZaneHRA.com and submits a claim for reimbursement online, by fax, or by mail. After the claim has been submitted, a ZaneHRA claims processor will examine the receipt and approve the claim. Both the employer and employee receive instant email notifications when the claim is approved. Claims are processed no more than 2 business days from when they are submitted. Finally, the employer logs into their employer account and reimburses the employee via cash, check, payroll addition, or direct deposit. Most employers make these reimbursements during each pay period through their payroll system. These 3 steps are all it takes for a company to provide quality health benefits to its employees. To summarize, the employer chooses an allowance for each employee, employees buy their own personal insurance policy, and then the employer reimburses the employees tax-free.